which machine multiplies the force applied on it. Mechanical advantage. Formula is load upon effort. Lever. It is a rod which can turn about a fixed point. Rod. See, AB is the rod. This is known as lever. A point at the center is called fulcrum. And a point at the side is called effort. And another side that is called load. So what is the principle of lever? That is rod, known as AB, that is lever. F is fulcrum. L is load. And E is effort. So on this diagram, on the principle of lever, we will define that when the fulcrum, that is F, that is fulcrum, is present at the center and effort is applied on one side, then the load is there on the other side, that is L at point B. So effort arm is FA, load arm is FB. Formula. We know that load on this side into load arm equal to effort into effort arm. Load symbol LA into load arm equal to effort E into effort arm. When they are balanced, when they are in the straight line, balanced. See, effort into effort arm, load into load arm, they are balanced, equal to sign. So mechanical advantage formula is equal to load upon effort, will reciprocate it, or mechanical advantage, that is equal to effort arm upon load arm. Two formulas are being used. So, three conclusion from here. When the load arm is greater than effort arm, when the load arm is greater than effort arm, so means mechanical advantage is less than 1. Next point, when the load arm is equal to the effort arm, when the load arm is equal to the effort arm, both are equal. So mechanical advantage is equal to 1. Third point, when the load arm is smaller than effort arm, when this thing is smaller, this is inversely proportional, this will be greater. So means mechanical advantage is equal to greater than 1. We'll compare like this. When the load arm is greater, this thing is greater, then mechanical advantage will be less. If they both are equal, mechanical advantage that is equal to 1. If load arm is smaller, so mechanical advantage will be greater. These are the formulas. You have to remember these. Out of 3 types, level 1, 2 and 3. In first case, in first class, fulcrum is there in between load and effort. In second, load is in between fulcrum and effort. In third case, effort is in between load and fulcrum. Second point, mechanical advantage. We have done the formula load upon effort. So it can be greater than also, equal to or smaller than 1. But here mechanical advantage, it is always greater than 1. Here mechanical advantage is less than 1. Last, third, effort arm can be shorter, equal to or longer than. See, the mechanical advantage are of 3 types. So equal to, longer and shorter, they are also 3 types. Here mechanical advantage is greater than. If it is greater, so means effort arm is also longer, greater, same. Here mechanical advantage is less than 1. So means effort arm is also less than, shorter it is. Fourth example, C. Seesaw. What happens in seesaw? Always fulcrum is there in between. Load and effort are there on the sides. Scissors also. fulcrum is there in between, joint is there in between, fixed point is there in between, and load and effort there on the side. Beam balance, same. It is joint from the between, fulcrum is there in between, and load and effort on the sides. Next, wheelbarrow or nutcracker, mango cutter, paper cutter, all. So here, fulcrum is there at the side when they are joined, and load, what we have to keep it there at the center, and effort, we have to press from effort. So means wheelbarrow, nutcracker, same, it is of this type. Joint from the last, fulcrum, load, anything has to be placed in the center, that is load. Effort means we have to apply the force, or we have to press them at the last class, that is third class. So here effort is there in between. How? Tongs. When we say a pair of tongs, it is joined from the last point, that is fulcrum. Load, that is there at the last point, another point, and effort has been applied at the center. Sugar tongs, same, effort is applied at the center. Knife, effort is applied from the center. So here are the three classes. There are also the simple machines like pulley, wheel axle, and inclined. First, pulley. A rod is there, a rope is there, and load has been applied, and effort is there. Effort is applied on this side, and load is there on this side. So means a pulley is there to decrease our effort and to pull this load upwards. So means when the effort and load, they both are equal. We know the formula. Mechanical advantage, we know the formula. Mechanical advantage, that is equal to load upon effort. So if load and effort both are equal, so mechanical advantage, that is equal to 1. But if effort is more, this lower portion effort is more, so means mechanical advantage, it will be less than 1 because it is inversely proportional. Effort is more, mechanical advantage, that is less than 1. So means here the effort is applied in downward direction, and the load, an object, will be pushed up in upward direction. Next is wheel and axle. Circular object which is capable of rotating on its own, which can rotate by its own. See, here is a wheel, that is bigger circle, and smaller circle that is joined together with a bigger one circle, that is wheel and axle, which is capable of rotating on its own. If we rotate this bigger circle, that is wheel, smaller circle axle that is joined, it will rotate by itself. Wheel and axle, simple machine. Similar case, that is screwdriver. There is a wheel and axle. If we rotate through the wheel, axle will be rotated by itself. Simple machine, rotate by itself. Last one, inclined plane. It is a sloping surface. See here, AB. The surface is sloping. If anything that has been thrown down, it will be rolled down. Sloping surface. It is a simple machine which is used to move a load up with a less effort. So means if an object has to be pushed upwards, less effort is applied and the load can be easily pushed upwards. Formula, load upon effort, we know that. If the effort is less, same here also. Here the effort was more. Here the effort is less. But we know that they are inversely proportional. Effort is less. So means effort less, load is more. So means the mechanical advantage is also greater than 1. So these are the three simple machines that makes our work easy.